The Study Data Tabulation Model, or SDTM, is CDISC's foundational standard for formatting and organizing study data. SDTM defines a standard structure for study data tabulations and is evolving as the global standard for submitting data to regulatory authorities. However, the use of SDTM standards is also spreading into academic research use cases. In general, a data model represents a real-world situation about which a database of collected data can be structured. In our case, the data model represents a trial or research study. The model organizes elements of data and standardizes how these elements relate to one another and includes properties of the real-world entities. It is important to understand that the SDTM is the overarching model from which multiple implementations are based. For example, the non-clinical SEND-IG, the clinical SDTM-IG, and the medical device and various therapeutic area guides. The SDTM model defines the structure for all trial or research data, regardless of how it was collected. SDTM groups data according to what we call general observation classes. An observation class is a high-level grouping loosely based on the topic being represented by the data. SDTM has 3 general observation classes: interventions, events, and findings. These observation classes are defined in the model by the set of variables available within each that are used to represent the data around the concepts inherent to that class. Most data can fit into one of these 3 classes. In addition to the 3 general observation classes, there are other special-purpose datasets with specific standardized structures for representing additional information that would not otherwise fit into the general observation classes. In the video Intro to SDTM Implementation Guide for Human Clinical Trials, or the video Intro to SEND Implementation Guide for Animal Research Studies, you'll learn how these observation classes are further broken down into domains, which are logical groupings of data organized around a particular topic. You will notice that variables in the SDTM all begin with --. These dashes are placeholders for the 2-letter domain code in the SDTM-IG. Variables in SDTM can be broken into the following 4 types: identifiers, topic variables, qualifiers, and timing variables. Identifiers indicate the subject, the domain, the record sequence, and other identifying information. Topic variables contain the focus of the observation. Therefore, these variables are the primary difference in what separates the individual observation classes. Qualifiers serve various purposes in providing additional information about the topic. They can be used to qualify the other variables within the record, such as the results or the topic, or they can qualify the entire record. Timing variables are used to describe various aspects of the timing of the observation. See the SDTM-based implementation guides for more information and examples of these variable types. It is important to remember that the SDTM and SDTM-IG work together. In the videos Intro to SDTM-IG or Intro to SEND, you will learn more about tabulating data in domains based on the observation classes defined in the SDTM.